What's up guys, PandaQuickScope here. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new mod menu that just came out 2 days ago that works with the after hours update. It's free and works. Would not recommend using it online, or else you could get banned. But anyway, you're going to want to come to this link, and then you're going to want to click download right here. Then it's going to open a new tab. Don't touch any of this stuff. Just come down over here to the right, click download, and then at the bottom left right here, this will come up. Then you're going to want to click show in folder, and then you're going to want to drag it to your desktop. Then you're going to want to right click on it, then click extract files here, and then you're going to get these 3 files right here. You can go ahead and delete these 2. Next thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam if you've downloaded GTA by Steam. If you haven't downloaded it by the website, then you're going to want to find the file where all of GTA's data is. So what you're going to want to do is go to Grand Theft Auto in your library, and then you're going to want to click Properties, then go to Local Files, browse Local Files, and this folder will come up. Next is you're going to want to drag the files from the bin from the mod menu into the Grand Theft Auto files. Then you're going to want to open up GTA. Alright guys, once you've loaded into GTA, you're going to want to press F4, and then your menu will open up. Use numpad 8 and 2 to go up and down, and 5 to select. And that's your mod menu.
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band, legacies.